Hi friends, let us continue plus 2 mathematics NCERT syllabus, application of integrals, chapter 8 in NCERT text. A worked out example. Example 1. Find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equals a square using definite integrals. You know, the circle is centered at the origin. That is, why it is x square plus y square equals a square. We shall draw that circle. This is the origin and its radius is a unit, therefore this point will be a0, this will be 0a, and we shall consider a very small area of height y and width dx. See, this rectangle is of width dx and height y. If we consider all such rectangles in the sector, that is 1/4 of the circle, it will cover the area. If we consider all such rectangles that we can draw like this, summing the area of all those rectangles, we get the area of this sector. Then 4 times that area will be the area of the circle. The idea we are using in this case is summing the area of all such rectangles that we can consider in the first quadrant, that is 1/4 of the circle, enclosed by the curve y. How much is this y? We have x square plus y square equals a square. Therefore, y will be equal to square root of a square minus x square. Now, area of the portion dotted, we can dot one-fourth of that circle. This is a sector of radius a unit and a center angle 90 degree, means 1/4 of that circle. Therefore, area of the portion dotted is equal to area of all such rectangles. Area of a single rectangle is y dx. Area of a rectangle is y dx, that means height into breadth. There are a number of rectangles to cover the area. Therefore, to get the total area, we need to sum up all those areas. That means we need to consider the integral y dx. From where to where? From 0 to a. Integral 0 to a y dx is equal to integral 0 to a square root of a square minus x square dx, because y is equal to square root of a square minus x square. And we know integral square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. And the interval is 0 to a. Giving the upper value, when you put x equals a, here a square minus a square becomes 0. So this portion will be 0. 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a, that is sin inverse 1. Sin inverse 1 minus when you apply 0, first part is 0, second part a square by 2 sin inverse 0, that is 0. That is equal to a square by 2 sin inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. That's equal to pi a square by 4. Therefore, area of the circle, area of the whole circle is equal to 4 into pi a square by 4. That is equal to pi a square, where a is the radius of the circle. Once again, find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equals a square using definite intervals. First draw the circle with the center the origin and radius a unit. We shall consider the sector on the upper half, right side. Then considering this curve, it can be written as y is equal to square root of a square minus x square. If we take a small rectangle of width dx and height y, its area will be y dx. And in this sector, we have innumerable such rectangles. To get the whole area of that sector, we need to sum up those areas. Summing up means integrate. Integrate from where to where? From 0 to a. Integral 0 to a y dx. That is integral 0 to a square root of a square minus a square dx. And integral square root of a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. We have given the interval from 0 to a. When we apply x equals a, this first part becomes 0. Here it is a square by 2 sin inverse 1, and applying lower value, it is 0 itself. On simplification, it is a square by 2 sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Therefore, pi a square by 4. That is the area of 1/4 of that circle. To get the total area, we multiply it by 4. And we got the result pi a square. Thank you.